Guys, ang hirap mag-travel ngayon ng ganito. Tingnan nyo ako, may family ako. Mag-isa lang ako ngayon dito. Pero
mag-isa.
ay, sorry. Busy pala. Kala ko mag-isa lang ako.
Lakas mo naman mag-pretend.
Where are we? Nowhere, man.
Ito na po. Ito.
Wrong turn. Oh my God. Look at that.
Auntie, that's our house.
That's it. Sir, dito yung cabin.
Is this their home?
Kay po? Generous Eraga. Ha?
Reservation name?
Generous Eraga po. Generous Eraga.
Generous.
Opo. Where are we going?
We're at sa Del Monte.
Del Monte. Saan si Del Monte? Do you know why are we here?
No,
Why? What do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know? You didn't even greet us, Mandy.
Why?
Today, what day is today? February 20.
Is it your anniversary?
Yes, it is our anniversary.
I said that in my mind.
Yes, it is our anniversary, guys.
Come here, Mama's here.
Gusto ko mag-Tagalog, pero ito, English. What? Where are we going?
I guess I'm gonna be absent for a day.
Yeah, you will. Yung plano ko, naku, paano na, yung itinerary ko pa naman, unang-una pa lang nasabak dito, bakbaka na, guys. Mukhang disregarded na. Did you know that you're not supposed to be here? Because it's supposed to be Mama and Papa's date since our 5th anniversary. Wedding anniversary. Ano ba yan? But things maybe, I don't know. Now you're here. What's important is we're happy! Ah! Saan tayo magkakayak, babe? Ito lang problema. Hey, Mandy! Kanya-kanya po tayong buhay dito ngayon, guys. So we have our own. Bye, Mandy! Don't scoot! Use your service, that's your service!
Mama, can we go Bonti?
Opo, we will wait. Wait lang, Mandy, please.
Mandy,
Mandy.
I wanna go.
Mandy, careful.
Mandy, baka malalim yan.
Mandy.
Baka mawala ka,
Mandy,
nako.
picture lang kita, dali.
Mahirap makagawa. First activity, kayak.
Me first.
Kayo muna. Good luck, guys.
Gitna lang po ang tapak niyo.
Oh, it looks like their husband and wife.
Go na.
Kuya, hirap ka usa?
Gagalit na, oh. Relax.
Oh, go. Careful.
Nag-anak-anak kayo eh.
Please, wag ka muna pumalaw.
Lolo.
Dito ba?
Baka malunod si Mayora.
Ha?
Kakayo.
Takot na takot.
Oh, Mandy, careful naman. Teka na. Kaya mo ba?
Uy, parang gumoto. Because of arrows, those holes.
Ew!
Now that we're done kayaking, we're gonna try this. So, just in case we're in the jungle, we can use it as a skill, Mandy. We can kill the boar. So we're gonna have a dinner. Yeah, we're gonna be hunters. Go, babe. Huwag ako
Paano ba yun?
Alam ko medyo nainis ka sa akin paminsan, pero wag mo akong tirahin.
Sito, taas po nila yung braso ko. Hanggang check ko lang.
Ganyan?
Yes.
Matakot ko ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Go, go, go.
Sige ba? Saan?
Wala. Okay pa kaya yun? God, I did it.
Ang hirap, no?
Kailangan pagurin na si Mandy para mamaya tayong dalawa lang. Di ba? Kailangan laruin. So after nito, pang babike siya, mag-swimming.
Kasi si Kuya, hinanap niya yung...
Wala na. Oh.
Ayoko na yan. Hindi ako natutuwa.
Ay nako, kasama magbike ang aking mahal. Yeah.
Okay. It's like the old times. Nagbabike lang.
It's like the old times, ganyan nga lang to eh. Hindi ako makabahala.
Uy! Kasi ang pangit.
Hindi maganda.
Sabi sa'yo.
Hirap. Babe, ako mauna. Ay, wala nang preno yung kabila eh. Epic failed. Try na.
Naka 10,000 steps na ata.
Try natin yung cocktail.
Wow, we have 2,000 steps.
Alcoholic na. Ayun.
Malaki.
Tatry natin guys. Eh hindi nila alam, mga hampas lupa kami dito na. Ito na yung cocktail. Grabe oh. Si Kuya rin pala yun ah. Sabi na si Kuya. Ako sinasabayan natin, nagsishake.
Mandy ka kasi. Si Mandy order ng drinks.
What did you order, Mandy?
Drink.
Drinks? Really? Be careful ah. Ano, kamusta? Kaya ba? May tama?
Wala. Juice lang.
Wala na yung mga umiinom. Ayaw na lang umiinom. Tayo lang ata.
Mama, we're not inside together.
Mahina.
Yan.
Dance ka na, Mandy. This is your time to dance.
Let's dance.
1, 2. Yan na, shake! Shake, shake, shake! Yahoo! In a shack! Guys, hindi masyadong matapang. Wala yung mga katropa ko dito. Ubuhin to lahat. Diyos ko po, swerte sila. Ako lang mag-isa. Pero pwede na. I love you. So, anong masasabi mo, babe, ngayon dito sa binili kong resort para sa'yo?
It's so nice.
Na. Uy, parang espada ko ya. Galing ah. Guys, tara, badminton muna tayo. Para may konting galaw-galaw naman, no? Dito pala maglaro mag-isa. Welcome to our tournament. So pwede kayo mag-register dito, guys.
Haha, Mama, 2 points, Papa.
Ayun, there's no pupo.
They have 2 scars. Go, Mama. Go, Mama.
Tanggal.
How many steps are there?
I got it first. I will.
Saan na kaya yun si mama mo, Mandy? Mandy, where's mama? What are you doing? Come on here? Even in vacation? You rock! Where's mama? Outside? Okay, I'm gonna take a look at her. But because we're about to check out, Mandy. Babe. Oh! Candy! Uy!
Happy anniversary!
Grabe, may pa-cake. Ayun oh. May pipe pa.
Happy 5 years old.
Ang akala ko kasi pagkatapos nito nakalubog na yung anak ko ganito. Kasi akala ko dalawa lang kami ni Mrs. So, sinama niya yung anak namin. So kaya medyo hindi tayo na-drain. Ayan.
Natuyo. Grabe, ang daming alvin.
Babe, pakihiwa naman. Huwag mo kainin ng ganyan. Kasi gusto kong kainin yung hiwa mo.
Salamat sa paglalagay ng alvin. Yeah!
Icing sa hiwa.
Ito na. Papakainin na kita ng nahiwa.
Guys, kunyari sweet-sweetan muna kami. Pero hindi talaga kami ganito.